Good morning, everybody. So you might expect that we were going to show you what day 4 of the Langtang trek looks like. And we're going to show you what our day looks like, but it is not going to be hiking to Kinjingopa, which is where we were meant to hike to today, because Matt's sickness has not gotten better and he has some really severe cold. So with that, his lungs are only working at 50% capacity maybe anyways, and so he succumbed to altitude sickness. Altitude sickness is super rare. This elevation, we're not that high. We're at 3,550 meters in Mandu right now, but nevertheless he has altitude sickness. So it's about 11 a.m. and we've spent the morning eating breakfast and ensuring that our travel insurance will cover us for a helicopter ride to Kathmandu to visit the hospital. So yeah, here's the sick man. Feel really bad for him. We did make it to Mandu, so we only had one more day of trekking up to get to the viewpoint, which is Kanjingri, and yeah, we just didn't make it this time, but it's okay. Matt's health is far more important than the viewpoint. But I'll show you what it looks like from our hotel. It's really beautiful, and we're gonna use the helicopter to sightsee, I guess, anyway.
Yeah, I asked our guide, I was like, is the helicopter safe? Because I've never been in a helicopter, and he's like, ha ha ha. And then he just said, helicopter for me is like taxi.
Yeah, I've never been in a helicopter either, and the first time we're doing a helicopter ride is in the Himalayas, so quite an adventure, but
and apparently we're doing sightseeing first.
Yeah, before they take me to the hospital. And going to Kathmandu. Nevertheless, the Langtang Valley trek is not that difficult. I think that we only had an issue because he has a pretty severe cold or possibly pneumonia or something, and he tried to push through, and yeah, your lungs can only do so much. I'm proud of you and grateful that your body got you this far, but it's time to take care of Maddie. So yeah, helicopter ride should be sick, so we'll take you with us on that.
That's where we stayed.
It means good luck. The kindest people in the world, aka the people we stayed with last night in the Everest Eco Lodge, gave us these scarves, and I guess they mean good luck. So they gave it to us before we went off on our helicopter flight, and yeah, it was a really sweet moment.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you. That's our helicopter pad. One last look at that amazing view.
I try to act cool in front of Matt just to not make him more anxious, but this has been so stressful. Like, I haven't slept in a couple of nights just because I've been so worried about him, but it should be all good soon, but this is crazy.
Rip.
How are you, sir?
Better than I was up there. Headache's gone, but my chest is still pretty bad. Other than that, I feel a lot better. Hey!